How to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up the simple steps. So open up the Venmo application and you need to have the updated version of Venmo in order to do that. So once you have updated and opened up and logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may tap on the crypto tab and the third option in the bottom. Go ahead and tap on that option. Once you go ahead and tap on it here, you should be finding Bitcoin, every crypto available here. You may also scroll down if you want. And there you can easily find Bitcoin. All you gotta do is simply tap on the Bitcoin option. Once you tap on Bitcoin, this opens up on your screen. Now from here, in order to buy, you may tap directly on the buy button. Buy option on your screen, go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you may go ahead and enter the amount that you would like to buy. So go ahead and enter up the amount that you would like to buy, for example, $10, and tap on review. After tapping on review, you need to confirm that you want to buy it. So go ahead and tap on buy Bitcoin. You may read this exchange rates if you want, and tap on buy Bitcoin. After that is done, you will be getting a notification if you have bought it, like you have bought $10 Bitcoin, and that's it. So that is it for now. That is how you basically buy Bitcoin on Venmo app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.